Hello friends, this is John A making another video for $50 bill. Here we can see that the price has just dropped down from about $12.50 into the $750 or possibly lower range. We can look at it a bit closer here in a second, but you can see we had a nice double top. This second top looked like it was trying to make the next leg, but then it ran out of steam. It is possible that the Fed could have dumped some of their Bitcoins into here at any point in time, and if they haven't yet, then you should be aware that they still could do that. This is a pretty strange looking top here. I still kind of feel like we're gonna do another leg somewhere maybe, but it's possible we won't. So we had this one, and then you would expect to see a steeper top at the very end. But when you're looking at the 5-day chart, you can see that it looks like we plateaued out, and then we started to just tumble downhill for a good ways until about 600 or so. But now this is a better looking pattern. It looks like we could be on if this might be a dead cat bounce leg up, but it is possible we could go much farther. I really don't think that this is exactly where we should have topped out because of all the Bitcoin events. Many people are starting to accept Bitcoin, and I believe that it is valuable. It is much more valuable than the US dollar. The US dollar is backed by nothing but the military, and the Bitcoin does not have a military, yet it's still competing with the US dollar. So y'all explain to me how that's working out. Be sure to subscribe for future updates. I'll try to keep you updated, but it is very difficult. We are living in a hyperinflation type of world, and I'm basically selling all my assets to survive because I just got out of college and had a lot of debt. So the Bitcoin period though is much faster than the silver period. So this, you can see, that was about 2.5–3 years. But the Bitcoin period is every like 6 months or less, or about that, maybe a little bit longer, but it's less than a year. So Bitcoin, you have more opportunities. It is volatile, but I told everybody to buy in around 150, so really you should have just bought in here. You know, even if you did sell some there, that's alright, but you could have possibly bought in lower, and then just slowly sell out as we go up. That's what you should do, and then rebuy back in at the bottom. It's a lot easier to identify points like the very bottom here, and maybe this bottom, but also this point. It's not really that easy to tell the tops. So you can just aim to buy at the right time, and then start selling as you go up, and that's basically guaranteed profits. If you happen to buy around here, I wouldn't suggest selling. I think we're gonna get up above there sometime soon. Wait, let me see. At least, I mean, you really need to start paying like daily attention. I just can't give you constant advice, like, because as you see this thing start to roll over, you should have been on it and selling, and now we're starting to head back up, so you need to watch it, and once you see it start to roll over again, then that's where you'd want to sell. So it's all about the behavior of this thing. If we go back, let me see, 10 days. I can show you the behavior changes. See, there's lots and lots of green, very little red, and then it starts to plateau. Probably should have sold. And then we start to have this like concave down red pattern, and then like, see this green, it's going concave down, but it's a top, and there's a concave down part there. But on these tops, before it reaches the very top, this one's like concave up, and then, you know, you have more concave up runs, and then it just fizzles out. Y'all let me know what you think. Did you do good on Bitcoin? Make lots of money? Transfer some of that wealth into silver? Definitely. Y'all be sure to subscribe, follow me on Twitter. See you guys soon.